In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert handwriting to text using Google Keep, and it's an easy process that will take you only about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access Google Apps. Ensure you're signed into your Google account, and in a new browser tab, locate and click on the Google Apps icon, often represented as a grid or a set of small squares generally found at the top right corner of your Google homepage. This is your gateway to a multitude of helpful Google services, including Google Keep, which is what we'll be using today. Once you've opened Google Apps, scroll through the options until you find Google Keep. It may be listed alongside other Google services like Google Docs or Google Drive. Google Keep is a versatile note-taking service that enables you not only to jot down quick notes, but also to store elaborate lists and easily handle images. Now click on Google Keep to open it. Once inside, you'll see options to create new notes or access old ones. Look for the option that says Take a Note. You'll click on this to start the process of creating a new note. In the note, begin by typing in a title that you wish to give it. This helps in keeping your notes organized, particularly if you will be converting multiple handwriting notes into text and need to come back to them later. Next, look for the Add Image icon. Click this to upload an image from your computer. It's important that this image is clear and contains the handwriting you want to convert. Google Keep uses OCR, or optical character recognition, technology to scan and decipher the handwriting, so the clearer the image, the more accurate the text extraction will be. Once your image is uploaded, you should see a close icon, typically an X or a similar symbol to exit the image upload window. Click it to return to your main note. You will need to click on the More Options menu, often denoted by 3 vertical dots or lines. In this drop-down menu, you'll find the option to grab image text. Click on this and Google Keep will automatically scan your uploaded image and convert the handwriting into editable text directly within your note. After the image is converted, all that's left is to close the note. You'll see another close option at the top right. Click on this to